having a great Friday evening. I've had these packages sitting in my foyer for about a week, maybe a little more, some of them. And I've just been too busy to even worry about dealing with it. Editing. And I thought, well, they might want me to share an unboxing. So I went on my Instagram stories and asked, and the majority of everyone did. Well, I don't think anyone said they didn't, to my knowledge. But anyway, I can't remember where some of this stuff is from or what I ordered. So it's going to be a surprise to me as it is to you, but I will explain it as I order it. So,
I meant as I open, not as I order.
I will just open it and then explain to you what it is. That's a little bit scary, ain't it? I order mostly from online. My husband cracks up at me. He's like, there's the Upsman or FedEx truck every day at our house. Well, the thing is when COVID hit, you know, it just was easier for everyone to order from online because you couldn't really go into stores to shop. And Amazon became one of my favorite places to shop. And I did all my grocery shopping on online orders and just would drive it and pick it up, which is new for us because where we live, our local grocery store doesn't even do that. We have to go to about a 30-minute drive to get that, but that's no big deal. And so anything that I needed that required going into a store, like Walmart even, I would order it online. So almost every day we were getting packages, and my husband looked at me one day and he said, is there something you need to tell me? And I was like, no, why? And he said, do you have a shopping problem? And I'm like, no, why? And I'm like, that's toilet paper, that's paper towels, that's hand sanitizer. You know, it was things we needed. He just didn't know what was going on because he cracks me up. I will order something and I'll be like, that package is from so-and-so. And he's like, why didn't we just go get it? And I'm like, it's free shipping. It's easier. It's more convenient. And, you know, I don't want to expose myself a lot if I don't have to. I keep my granddaughters and I just want to keep them safe. Okay, this is from Isagenix and it's called Joint Support. And it really works. My sister-in-law sells this, and in order for me to get it at a discount price, I just signed up for it. I don't have to pay anything extra. As a matter of fact, I get a discount. But it has glucosamine, chondroitin, and MSM for joint and cartilage support. And I think it helps. I already have had one bottle and it's an auto renewal. I need to go probably and set it up though to not come as often. I think it's set up right now every month. And you can take 2 to 3 capsules up to, I think it said, well, let me read it here. It was quite a few a day. And I really think it does help. And my nephew Jordan told me to get krill oil or something with krill, and this actually has it in, Jordan, and I think it does help. 3 tablets up to so many times a day. Can't see that on here, but I think is helping. I can't even read this with my glasses on. How sad is it? 3 tablets up to twice a day with food or a shake. I take mine of a morning, 2 tablets of a morning when I get up. And I do think it helps, so I'm going to keep getting those for now. They are not huge expensive. They are 90 tablets, and I think they're about $40 if I'm not mistaken. But I do think they are worth it. I really do. Because, like I said, I have osteoarthritis, and I just went and got injections for that. And they're very expensive. Okay. I remember what this is. I don't mean to look at it, but this is a white blanket. I ordered this from Amazon. It's a flannel fleece blanket by Utopia Bedding. We were going to have some house guests, and they ended up being staying somewhere else because they thought their arrangements changed. Not because of anything we done, but just depending on things. But anyway, my guest room, I have a duvet on it and sheet set, and I wanted a blanket because some people, you know, run cold. My husband does, so I ordered a blanket for it, and it's thin, but it's fleece, so it's lightweight, but it's warm. So I was going to add this to it, and that's why I ordered it. It feels really soft. It's hard to get out of here. It's a king size bed, so it's a little bit hard to get out of the packaging. Oh my goodness. Hope I don't rip it or cut it. Let's see here. But anyway, I can always use it. I think it was $20. It wasn't very much. It wasn't very bad. Yeah, it's thin, but it is soft. And when my girls come in, that's where they sleep. So, or come in to visit. My son lives down the road, and my son that lives in Oregon, I don't think he's going to be coming home that often. But anyway, that's what that is. So, glad I got that. This big box here, I think it's from my sister-in-law. My sister-in-law sells Pampered Chef. I'll leave a link for everything down here that I got in case someone's interested in it. And I've been doing the recipes with the quick cooker. My last few videos, I think the last 4 meals I've shown have been with the quick cooker. And she told me, she said, you know, the quick cooker it's like a pressure cooker, but it does a lot more things in it than just pressure cook. It also is a slow cooker. Pressure cooker, you can sear, you can do all kinds of things with it. I would tell you, but Kobe's got it right now because he borrowed it. But she said all of the accessories for the quick cooker are discontinued after this month. So I think that's what this is. I think she added some stuff to it for me. The quick cooker ceramic pot. And I can't remember what all this is, so I'm going to open it and show you all. Because I made Mississippi pot roast in it, which was amazing. It's the best roast I've ever eaten in my life. I'm not kidding. And then I made barbecue chicken sliders. I made soup beans, and I made potato salad in it. And with the potato salad, I put my potatoes in the bottom, and then I put this little wire rack on it and put my eggs on top, and they were done in like 20 minutes. Oh, okay. This is the ceramic pot. I don't know what it does. And this is the lid for it. She told me, and I can't remember. I'll have to ask her. She's a good salesman. I buy stuff I don't even know what it does. Aren't you, Karen? She's like her daddy and her brother Chris and her brother Mark. Mark and Chris and Jesse were all salesmen. Now Chad, he's funny. He's a salesman too, don't get me wrong. No, they all are good salesmen. I shouldn't say that about my husband. Mark and Jesse and Karen and Chris, Mark and Jesse and Karen and Chris, yes, are more, they can sell ice to an Eskimo, I tell Jesse. Okay, this is the quick cooker steamer basket. Oh yeah. So like if I wanted to cook meat in the bottom, and then I could cook veggies in this. So what do y'all think? Are you all huge Pampered Chef people? I love Pampered Chef. I've had Pampered Chef, some of it for over 30 years. I love these. Oh, those are awesome. You could probably even put your boiled eggs in that, or your eggs in that, and put it on top of your potatoes and cook them. That way, if they break apart, the shells won't get in it. Love. Okay. This is probably the racks for that quick cooker wire cradle. So that's probably just, I I guess to set those on. I don't know. Oh, I bet I know what it's for. Probably, just a second. I think you set the ceramic crock in this, and then you can lift it up. Let's see if it's what it does. Awesome. Love, love, love. Got lots of my steamer baskets though. Okay. I'll leave the link to all of this in my description box. Oh, I did. This is what I ordered. This is what I told her I wanted to order, and she sold me all this. Corn cob holders. A $10 purchase. Chad, you heard me. Okay, it's your sister. No, I love her to death. My niece Ariel sells Pampered Chef too. Oh, my knee. I got that injection in my knee. It's helping a lot, but it's a little bit sore because it's just been a couple days. Okay. I had the old corn cob holders. I don't even know where they are. I know they didn't tear up. I just can't find them. I like this. That's the thing. These come in a holder. How awesome is that? These are the same ones I had, except they were green. These are gray, which are more appealing to the eye. And they have a case. That's why I can't find mine. So, very good idea, Pampered Chef. Kudos for that. I give that a thumbs up. So, it comes with 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 corn cob holders. My granddaughter loves corn on the cob, any kind of corn, cream style corn. So, that will be very handy. We usually cut it off the cob for her, but she does love corn on the cob. She'll eat it like that on the cob. Okay, and this is the Quick Cooker Fluted Cake Pan. Yeah, she told me she ordered this for me. That's nice. She always does such nice things when I order that I'm like, don't do that. You don't have to do that. But she always does. She's so sweet with me. I love her to death. She's really like a sister to me. Well, she is a sister to me. She's like a sister. This is the Fluted Cake Pan, guys. And look how cute. You could actually bake a bundt cake in your quick cooker. You can proof bread. Like I said, I would tell you all the things it does, but I don't know because Kobe's got it at his house. Okay, so this is probably what you stand it on. And I would imagine, like, you put it in there like that, and then you can sit it on there, and that's how you get it up and down. Isn't that neat? Now, I don't know. I don't think that's a standard bundt pan, but it might be. I don't know. I'll have to ask her. I don't know if you use less mix in it or not. But isn't that cute? I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And honestly, that's a good thing to use if you, I have a wall oven. It's not a huge oven, but I could use that to bake in if I needed to. Okay, and then she sent me some taste buds to try. Oh, that's nice. Okay, let's see what she sent me, guys. I've never used the taste buds. I know she subscribes to them, and she uses them all the time. So I'm excited to try these. Thank you, Karen, so much. Let me see what recipes these are. Well, just a minute. Pasta with vegetables and onion burgers. I thought they were 3. Okay, this has seasoned salt and 3 onions. Oh, okay, there's 2. Seasoned salt and 3 onions. So, the pasta with vegetables, and it's got the recipe, and it uses the seasoned salt. So, it comes with the seasonings you need. They're called taste buds. So, it's got the seasonings that you need. And it has a little recipe card on the front and back. And then it's got the picture and then the recipe on the back. I think she told me those come with a holder. It says right here. They've got, all right, other than these recipes, it also shares 3 of each of the 3 more other recipes for both seasoning. So 8 total recipes. That's amazing. You could use the 3 onion rub on a quick lunch, and it tells you how to do that. perfect protein and an easy rice, and the seasoning salt on a cocktail, crispy potatoes, and an easy avocado toast. That's awesome. Okay, if I scan this, it says it'll show me a sneak peek of what subscribers get. Enjoy exclusive access to recipes, tips, videos, a grocery list, and more. So it's got a little SKU here that you can put on your phone for US and one for Canada, and it'll tell you what comes with it. It says 3 surprise seasonings, 3 exclusive recipes, additional seasoning ideas, and online access. Choose from 3 subscription options plus recent hostess get 10% off. That is awesome. I love that. Thank you so much, Karen. I will definitely be using these. Thank you. So check out the taste buds too, guys. That might be something that you're interested in. But that's all of my unboxing. Let me show you all this. Boxes. My husband told me, he said, I have to burn boxes all the time. Boxes. Now, I don't know, we used to have a recycle in our county. I don't know that we still do. I won't say that we don't, but for some reason, I think that funds were cut for it. So, anyway. But yeah, that's all the boxes. So, I hope you all enjoyed this boxing. Thank you for coming along with me. And if you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below, and I may do some more of these. So I hope you have a great evening. God bless you. Talk to you soon. Bye.